Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, that is practical geometry. In this chapter, we have to construct the quadrilaterals. First, we have to see when the lengths of four sides and a diagonals are given, then how we will construct the quadrilaterals. If the lengths of four sides and a diagonals are given, then how we will construct the quadrilaterals. See it. Question number 1, part number 1. Exercise 4.1, question number 1 and part number 1. Question number 1 क्या है? Construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 4.5 cm, BC 5.5 cm, CD 4 cm, AD 6 cm and AC 7 cm. So first of all, we have to draw a rough figure. See here, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB 4.5 cm, BC 5.5 cm, CD 4 cm and AD 6 cm and diagonal AC 7 cm. ये गिवन है. तो ये हमने रफ फिगर ड्रॉ कर दिया. अब रफ फिगर की हेल्प से वी विल ड्रॉ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ड्रॉ BC ऑफ 5.5 सेंटीमीटर. देन टेकिंग B एज सेंटर एंड ऑफ रेडियस 4.5 सेंटीमीटर, वी विल ड्रॉ एन आर्क एंड अगेन टेकिंग C एज सेंटर एंड ऑफ रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर, वी विल ड्रॉ अनदर आर्क. These two arcs intersect to each other at point A. Now join AB and AC. Now taking A as center and of radius 6 cm, draw an arc and also taking C as center and of radius 4 cm, draw another arc. These two arcs intersect to each other at point D. Join A to D and D to C. Now it is your required quadrilateral A, B, C, D. It is your answer. Now we have to see its second part. See the second part. What is the question? Quadrilateral JUMP in which JU equal to 3.5 cm, UM 4 cm, MP 5 cm, PJ 4.5 cm, PU 6.5 cm. So see the solution of this question. First of all, we have to see the rough figure of this question. JUMP are these four sides are given. It is 3.5 cm, UM 4 cm, MP 5 cm and PJ 4.5 cm and the diagonal UP or PU is 6.5 cm. तो बिल्कुल ऊपर जैसे क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट पार्ट जैसा. आई थिंक यू कैन डू इट. नाउ इट्स थर्ड पार्ट. सी द क्वेश्चन ऑफ थर्ड पार्ट. क्या है? पैराग्राम मोर, MORE इज ए पैराग्राम. तो OR इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर, RE इक्वल टू 4.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड EO इक्वल टू 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. इसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी है. तो हाउ वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट इट? सी हियर, सिंस MOR इज ए पैराग्राम, यहाँ पे इसका देखिए रफ फिगर, यहाँ पे हमने रफ फिगर लिख रखा है. MORE, OR इज 6 सेंटीमीटर गिवन, ER इज 4.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड OE दैट इज डायगोनल दैट इज 7.5 सेंटीमीटर इज गिवन. We know that MOR is a parallelogram, therefore ME equal to OR equal to 6 cm. These are opposite sides. So opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, therefore ME equal to OR equal to 6 cm. Here MO equal to ER, MO equal to ER, opposite sides of parallelogram 4.5 cm. यहाँ पे हमने रीजन लिख दिया. एंड OE equal to 7.5 cm. ये गिवन है. तो how we will construct it? First of all we have to draw OR equal to 6 cm. Now taking R as center and of radius 4.5 cm, we will draw an arc and again taking O as center and of radius 7.5 cm, we will draw another arc. These two arcs intersect to each other at point E. Join OE and ER. Again, taking O as center and of radius 4.5 centimeter, we will draw an arc, and also taking E as center and of radius 6 centimeter, we will draw another arc. These two arcs intersect to each other at point at point M. Join MO and ME. Now MORE is required paragonal. It is your answer. Now we have to see its fourth part. फोर्थ पार्ट क्या है? रोम्बस BEST in which B equal to 4.5 centimeter and ET equal to 6 centimeter. So see the solution of this question. It is the rough figure. BEST and ET is 6 centimeter, or B is 4.5 centimeter. B is the side and ET is the diagonal. Here we will write, since BEST is a rhombus, therefore its all sides are equal. Hence B equal to ES equal to ST equal to TB equal to 4.5 centimeter. Yani all sides will be of 4.5 centimeter. Diagonal ET equal to 6 centimeter given है. Now we have to construct it. So first of all we can draw one side, that is ES. ES कितना? We can draw here ES 4.5 centimeter. Now taking E as center and of radius 6 centimeter, we will draw an arc that will be here, and taking S as center and of radius 4.5 centimeter, we will draw another arc. These two arcs intersect at point T. Draw ET and TS. Now taking E as center and of radius 4.5 centimeter, we will draw an arc, and also taking T as center and of radius 4.5 centimeter, we will draw another arc which intersect to each other at point B. Now join BE and BT. तो इस तरीके से ये 4.5 सेंटीमीटर, ये भी 4.5 सेंटीमीटर, ये भी 4.5 सेंटीमीटर, और ये 6 सेंटीमीटर आपका डायगोनल. नाउ BEST is the required rhombus. It is your answer. You have to draw all these constructions in your fair register by using pencil, scale, compass and some other equipments which you have to use. Thank you and have a nice day.